create the temperature tower, you open the file in Prusa Slicer. I drag and drop the file into the Prusa Slicer and that's it. I do a basic check. I left the default settings for the printer. I just changed the filament settings. Edit the filament you already have or create a new one. Click on the gear on the right side of the filament in the top right corner. Set the temperature for the first layer and the others to 225 degrees. Save the filament with the name you want. In my case it's my test tower and that's it, the first part is done. The rest of the temperature change will be done after the slice. Slice the tower and let's start including the temperature changes. What we're going to do is use the M104S code to set the temperature of the hot end. For each level we want to change the temperature, we place this code as the custom code and type M104S and the temperature we want. As we finally set the first temperature to 225, we only need to do this for the others. Just move to the layer on the tower where one temperature ends and the other begins. In the right-hand corner with the plus at the end, right-click and add the custom code. Enter M104S220, which will be the second temperature after 225 that we have already configured in the filament settings. Just repeat one by one and slice again at the end and you're done. After slicing, change the option to view the temperatures and each piece will show a different temperature. I usually make the tower for all new spools. I leave the code saved on the SD card and set it to print directly. I end up doing this as the first print of each filament, which already gives me an idea of the ideal temperature and an idea of how it behaves. All done for everyone, now just slice and let's see what the temperatures are like.